Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at the Kangaroo Point Bridge in Brisbane, Australia. Walked here from Hyatt Regency Brisbane, maybe a 15-20 minute walk, early March. Nice weather, about 80 degrees outside. A lot of pedestrians on the bridge, some cyclists on the outside. We have a waterfront or riverfront area, and you can see the large bridge. See the center of it and the rails going in both directions. No cars in this one, just a pedestrian bridge. A lot of people running, walking through this area. I'm seeing that this opened in December of 2024, so it's relatively new, recording here in March of 2026. This is an active transport bridge built for walking and cycling. About 460 meters long overall. As we come around the corner, see it more up close. Really nice view of Brisbane. See some other bridges in the background. Different view from the hotel. The hotel had a view of a Ferris wheel and different bridges. See a river hub with many boats on the side of this Kangaroo Point Bridge. City Botanic Gardens just outside. Had a video of that, but this is the first time crossing this bridge. This connects to Scott Street, Kangaroo Point. More walkability and more bike connectivity throughout. As I get to the center, you can see very bright sunlight, and on this side there is more of a sheltered area. It is nice. There's been some off and on rain throughout this trip, so having a sheltered area is really helpful to dodge that rain. Today, very clear, cool breeze. Walking in the morning for probably the better weather, rather than it getting too hot later in the day. Another view off to the side of the bridge. See many of the tall buildings, the glass windows. This one reflecting back a dark blue and a light blue. See the trees on the end and more of the buildings. Getting closer to another bridge, looks to be close to this one, and an observation deck on this and the other side. See the boats go by, get a better vantage point. See all kinds of signage, slow walking, and an area for the bikes. The bike's supposed to be on the right side here, everybody else walking on the left. Nice, they set that up for both the walkers and the bicyclists. See a sign ahead, Kangaroo Point Bridge. Lord Mayor of Brisbane and various others, councillors. Southeast Queensland, SEQ City, Australian government building dedicated to a better Brisbane, December 2024. Some water fountains on this side, the Overlook, this sheltered area, and see some signage here, Aboriginal astronomy and navigation, some boating, 1847 wreck, and see many of the boats off to the side. Not much moving at this time. Boats just seem to be parked. There were some jet skis or other vehicles on a different bridge, but this one quiet, at least at this time. To the end, you can see many other buildings. Looks like apartment complexes, also high-rising. See a cross on one ahead, perhaps a hospital on this end. Good view of the city. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Kangaroo Point Bridge in Brisbane, Australia. Stay tuned for more content and see my archive of other videos from Brisbane, Australia.